We've got a CNBC exclusive, AMC Entertainment's president and CEO, Adam Aron, a great CEO. I'm not just saying that because at one point he was the CEO of the Sixers. He's done many, many good things. So let's cut right to it, Adam. You got, $5 billion in debt.
Good morning. Good morning to you.
Yeah, I got to do the good morning thing. You got $5 billion in debt. Can you solve it? That's a lot of debt.
I would like to think so. AMC has proven quite adept over the past year at raising capital. One of the reasons that we have survived this horrible pandemic so far is we raised $2.8 billion of cash and got another $1 billion of concessions from lenders and theater landlords. And that's put us in a position to run our business going forward with some degree of confidence. 5 different times during the last year, we were close to running out of cash because our theaters were all closed and we had no revenues. But we raised money to survive, and we're back operating as normal companies operate. And let me just tell you talked about good morning. Let me tell you what good morning means in America these days. The combination of vaccinations and new movie releases. Godzilla vs. Kong opened last night. It's a movie about apes. In the world of meme stops, apes a good thing. Maybe it's an omen. Our attendance last night was about 10 times what it's been all the other Wednesdays so far in 2021.
Geez,
we can look ahead.
But at the same time, you got a stock. It's up 380%. I don't know, Adam. I mean, this is a good opportunity to sell a couple 100 million shares, isn't it?
Well, I want to be careful.
Well, it's national distribution. This is the way you do it now. It's not the Times. It's here.
Yeah, well, dilution is something we care about, but I would also tell you that we are formally asking for approval from our shareholders to authorize another 500 million shares that the company could issue if it wishes. There are a lot of benefits to our shareholders of having more authorized shares out in the market. We'll be sensitive to dilution issues. At the same time, though, there's an opportunity to bolster our cash reserves. There's an opportunity to buy back debt at a discount. There might be an opportunity to defray some of our deferred theater rents, settling with stock instead of with cash. Maybe there's some merger and acquisition opportunity where we could buy other companies inexpensively using our stock as a currency. There are a lot of good reasons for shareholders to give us the authority to have more shares.
Isn't it time to buy back
in our toolkit?
Don't we buy back the 6 3/8 of 11/15/24 that are trading at 36? I mean, that's a great piece of paper right now if you're going to do 500 million shares.
We are very well aware that we could buy back debt at a discount, and that in itself would be accretive and generate profitability for AMC and increase shareholder value for our shareholders.
All right.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.